Himalayan. Oh. Asian Sivaganga Theatre, which is there in Kadyananam towards Dilshnagar Road. Whenever you visit Dilshnagar area, do come to this theatre. This is the best theatre surrounded by this place. But you know, you can't do entertainment, you can't do enjoyment, you can't make whistles or you can't make noise in this theatre. This is just like a family-oriented theatre. But you know, the interior of the theatre is absolutely fantastic. If you want to come with your family, if you want to come with your girlfriend, this is the theatre. You'll get a lot of comfort. But if you are a type 2 lover, that if you are a type 2 lover who thinks privacy, who thinks empty theatre, empty seats, this is not for you. You better have to go for another theatre. Ambulance, always give side to ambulance. Come on, uncle. Oh my god, wait, this guy is going from left to right and right to left. Bloody idiot. अरे चूड़ाबा नहीं है ये ఏం మనుషులు రా బాబు పక్కన గర్ల్ ఫ్రెండ్ ఉంటే కదా నీ లోకం మర్చిపోతారు సారీ గర్ల్ ఫ్రెండ్ సిస్టర్ ఐ డోంట్ నో ఐఎమ్ సారీ ఇఫ్ ఐఎమ్ రాంగ్ బట్ యు నో it's minimum common sense, man. You have to check right side and left side while you are crossing a road. Minimum common sense. If you don't have, at least both of you are walking, at least one person should have to check left side and right side. Both are not looking, they are going straight. Shit. Manneguda. Actually, this is not Manneguda road. You have to take that road. You have to go. I don't know the shortcut from here. Okay. Do you know Nagarjuna Sagar road?
I have no idea.
Yes, I know that, but this is not Ibrahimpatnam road. This is actually Vijayawada road. You have to go straight up to LB Nagar, which is around 7 kilometers from here, and you have to take left.
Go from here should be, because my map is showing that way.
Yeah, there will be route from this, but I don't know. You have to go straight.
So you have to catch the panel road.
Yes, panel road, which is which touches to Nagarjuna Sagar road.
Okay.
You have to go that road.
So that Manneguda is in Ibrahimpatnam.
Ibrahimpatnam, not in Ibrahimpatnam. Nearby Ibrahimpatnam. That is between Turkemjal and Ibrahimpatnam.
Which will be first, Ibrahimpatnam or Manneguda? Which will be first?
If you go like this way, you don't have to go to Ibrahimpatnam. You will directly go to Manneguda. But I don't know the exact route from here.
Okay, that's okay. I'll find out by that.
Okay.
Thanks, dude. Thank you.
the Revving. Oh my god, nice. Photo shoot is going there. He's doing his best, I think. He slipped on road and is taking pics. That's the creativity, man. Because of this stupid auto guy, result is there. Re. This fellow giving his bike hookah. मैं तो हुक्का मारदा पीरा, मैं तो हुक्का मारदा पीरा. Man, what are you feeling? Are you feeling petrol or kerosene? What that smoke, man? It is more than hookah. Man, look at that. That is smoking just like a truck. See him. He's covering up. He's covering the exhaust. I hope you can see. Come on, man, get out of your leg. Otherwise your leg will be burned. Yes, it's burnt. It's burnt his leg. Okay. And take this left side.